100 Gratitude Affirmations for Prosperity, Success, Abundance, and the Fulfillment of Desires. I am deeply grateful for the prosperity that flows into my life. I am grateful for the abundance of opportunities that come my way. I am thankful for the financial success I have achieved. I am grateful for the wealth that continually manifests in my life. I am thankful for the abundance of resources that support my dreams. I am grateful for the prosperity that allows me to live a life of freedom and choice. I am thankful for the positive energy that attracts financial abundance to me. I am grateful for the continuous flow of money that comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am thankful for the integrity with which I earn and manage my money. I am grateful for the wisdom to make wise financial decisions and investments. I am thankful for the abundance that allows me to support and help others. I am grateful for the success I have achieved in my career/business. I am thankful for the recognition and appreciation I receive for my work. I am grateful for the skills and talents that contribute to my success. I am thankful for the positive relationships and connections that support my success. I am grateful for the courage to pursue my dreams and achieve my goals. I am thankful for the opportunities to learn and grow on my path to success. I am grateful for the lessons I have learned from both successes and setbacks. I am thankful for the resilience that keeps me moving forward in the face of challenges. I am grateful for the prosperity that allows me to live a life of abundance and joy. I am thankful for the financial security and peace of mind that prosperity brings. I am grateful for the freedom to live life on my own terms. I am thankful for the abundance of love, health, and happiness in my life. I am grateful for the support and guidance I receive from mentors and loved ones. I am thankful for the opportunities to share my wealth and make a positive impact. I am grateful for the inspiration and motivation that propels me towards success. I am thankful for the doors that open for me as I align with abundance. I am grateful for the continuous flow of prosperity and abundance in all areas of my life. I am thankful for the confidence and belief in myself that attract success. I am grateful for the financial stability that allows me to live a worry-free life. I am thankful for the opportunities to express my creativity and passion. I am grateful for the joy and fulfillment that comes from living my purpose. I am thankful for the positive mindset that attracts opportunities and success. I am grateful for the financial freedom to pursue my dreams and aspirations. I am thankful for the wisdom to use my wealth for the highest good of all. I am grateful for the blessings that flow into my life as a result of my prosperity. I am thankful for the unlimited potential within me to create abundance. I am grateful for the courage to step outside my comfort zone and embrace success. I am thankful for the support system that encourages and uplifts me. I am grateful for the prosperity that allows me to live a life of abundance and fulfillment. I am thankful for the strength and determination to overcome any obstacles. I am grateful for the financial security that provides peace and stability in my life. I am thankful for the opportunities to make a positive impact on the world. I am grateful for the abundance that allows me to experience all that life has to offer. I am thankful for the clarity of my goals and the path to their achievement. I am grateful for the prosperity that allows me to give generously to others. I am thankful for the unwavering faith in my ability to attract success. I am grateful for the gratitude that amplifies my blessings and manifestations. I am thankful for the abundance that surrounds me in every aspect of my life. I am grateful for the financial abundance that allows me to live in comfort and luxury. I am thankful for the fulfillment of my wishes and desires. I am grateful for the dreams that have turned into beautiful realities. I am thankful for the joy that comes from seeing my dreams come true. I am grateful for the opportunities that have aligned with my desires. I am thankful for the positive changes that have manifested in my life. I am grateful for the synchronicities that lead me towards my dreams. I am thankful for the inner strength and belief that empowered my dreams. I am grateful for the blessings that have unfolded through the realization of my desires. I am thankful for the miracles that have manifested in my life. I am grateful for the gratitude that fuels the manifestation of my desires. I am thankful for the inspiration that ignites the pursuit of my dreams. I am grateful for the clarity that allows me to clearly envision my desires. I am thankful for the universe's support in manifesting my dreams. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds the manifestation of my desires. I am thankful for the unwavering faith that my dreams are coming true. I am grateful for the divine timing that brings my desires to fruition. I am thankful for the positive energy that attracts my desired outcomes. I am grateful for the manifestation of my dreams and the fulfillment they bring. I am thankful for the alignment of my thoughts, actions, and desires. I am grateful for the gratitude that amplifies the manifestation of my dreams. I am thankful for the transformation that occurs when dreams become reality. I am grateful for the guidance that leads me towards the fulfillment of my dreams. I am thankful for the belief that my desires are within reach and manifesting now. I am grateful for the abundance that arises from the realization of my dreams. I am thankful for the inner joy and peace that come from living my dreams. I am grateful for the lessons learned on the journey to the fulfillment of my desires. I am thankful for the positive vibrations that align me with my dreams. I am grateful for the signs and signals that confirm my dreams are coming true. I am thankful for the patience and persistence that lead to the manifestation of my desires. I am grateful for the deep sense of gratitude that arises from my fulfilled wishes. I am thankful for the love and support that has helped me achieve my dreams. I am grateful for the opportunities that have exceeded my wildest dreams. I am thankful for the strength and resilience that fueled the realization of my desires. I am grateful for the abundance that allows me to live a life of my dreams. I am thankful for the alignment of the universe with my highest intentions. I am grateful for the miracles that have unfolded in my life through my wishes. I am thankful for the excitement and joy that fill my heart as my dreams come true. I am grateful for the gratitude that magnetizes the manifestation of my desires. I am thankful for the dreams that have expanded my vision and brought me fulfillment. I am grateful for the manifestation of my desires and the fulfillment they bring. I am thankful for the opportunities that have allowed me to grow and evolve. I am grateful for the abundance that allows me to live a life of purpose and impact. I am thankful for the wealth of knowledge and wisdom I have gained on my journey. I am grateful for the doors that have opened for me, leading to greater opportunities. I am thankful for the guidance and support that have helped me achieve my goals. I am grateful for the mindset of abundance that attracts success and prosperity. I am thankful for the lessons learned from my achievements and accomplishments. I am grateful for the gratitude that amplifies the blessings in my life. I am thankful for the prosperity and abundance that continue to flow into my life. I am grateful for the infinite possibilities that arise from living a life of gratitude and fulfillment. Feel free to choose the affirmations that resonate with you the most and incorporate them into your daily practice. Remember to personalize them to suit your beliefs and intentions. Remember to repeat these affirmations regularly and believe in your own self-aware individuality. Allow them to align your thoughts, actions, and passions, and watch as the universe responds in kind. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share with friends who could benefit from impressing their subconscious with the gratitude of having already received their well-deserved prosperity. Thank you, my sweet God candies, for affirming with God Candy. Always remember that you are a sweet expression of God and that you deserve the best because you are the best.